Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new Sitivien knife that I got. This will be the model number ST-155 and it is one model that I did not purchase initially when I did my whole series, initial whole series of Sitivien knife videos, so it took me a little while to get to this one, and it's definitely something different from the previous models in the 150 line. So this one is designed by David Chen. As you can see, it is a really bulky cleaver style brick of a knife. The over length is 19.1 centimeters, that is 7.5 inches. The blade length is 8.2 centimeters, 3.2 inches long, with a cutting edge of 6.6 centimeters or 2.6 inches because of the finger choil here. The blade width is astonishingly wide, so it is 4.1 centimeters or 1.6 inches. The thickness is 4.1 millimeters or 0.16 inches. Hand length 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches with a thickness of 1.9 centimeters or 0.74 inches. The blade is made out of 14C28N stainless steel with a cleaver style satin finish on the grind, and on the flats we have acid stone washing. The handle is made out of brown burlap micarta with this 3D milled design or finish. We have full liners that are skeletonized, as you can see right there on both sides. Pivot assembly dries on caged ball bearing washers. This is nice and smooth. As far as the opening goes, we have a flipper tab, a top flipper, and also a finger hole opener. As far as the design goes, I'm not really really happy with this one, mainly because if you open it with the standard flipper, you have to put your finger fast away because it will hit you with this one, so be careful with that. As far as the top flipper, it is rather really stiff, so not an option for me to open it this way because it has a really stiff detent ball engagement. And as far as the thumb hole opener, yes, you can do it, but also you need to be careful because of this top flipper here. So unfortunately, in my opinion, this is not a good design. I have to be honest here. As far as the pocket clip goes, it came loose like this from the factory. You can see right here David Chen's signature. It is a stainless steel design, just bandit construction there. Centering is a little bit to the right. As far as the variants goes, you can either choose from green or brown micarta, and there is also a green and black G10 and a yellow and black G10 configuration. Weight this comes at 220 grams or 7.7 ounces, so rather on the heavy side. On the blade we have the stainless steel, some kind of logo there, and the model number. Other side we have the Sitivien logo. far as the sharpness goes, out of the box, so yeah, this is nice and fairly sharp. As far as the pocket clip engagement and pocket profile goes, yeah, this is how much it will be sticking out. So even not a deep carry design or deep carry execution, this looks really nice and will be hiding in your pocket without any problems. Just keep in mind this is fairly heavy, so it will weight you down. Okay, as far as pricing goes, these go for around 37 euros or 39 US dollars, depending on the website or the dealer. I got mine from AliExpress. Usually all my Sitivien knives are purchased on this website. So as far as positioning goes, I have here the model ST-155, which is a small top or front flipper here, and the model 156, which is above this model here. And this is the, so as you can see, the all these three models have the Burlap Micarta, but different kind of blade shapes applied to them. Okay, so let's see some size comparisons with other knives I have here on the table. So let's see the CGRB Craig. This one has a really nice, also Burlap Micarta, also a Cleaver style knife here. And here is the Sheepdog XL from Kaiser. Here is the full-size Sheepdog. So somewhat in the same size. Let's see a couple of other no knives here. So here is the Sitivien Elementum, real steel knives, raccoon, sorry, Vosted raccoon, QSP penguin, Kaiserberg lighter 2, Benchmade bug out, CRKT Padawan, Knauf's Lander 2, CGRB Pyrite Alt, Backsprint Pro, full-size Krypton from Benchmade, Giant Mouse Ace Grant, Spyderco Paramilitary 2, see also also the paramilitary 3. Real steel knives, Griffin Pro. Red Model 1. Best Techman Dundee. $9.40 from Benchmade. Spyderco Delica. Kershaw Leak. Buck Sovereign. Kershaw Blur. Here's a Sharpie. Rough Rider Peanut. Let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozer Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's summarize. So from the whole series, I would say the 155 is the most bulkiest, the most I would say sturdy, and the usage of this one, I would say I don't know, maybe opening some kind of boxes, some kind of straight razor style of works, or X-Acto style of works. But yeah, the handle is, for such a big knife, in my opinion, rather not that appealing as far as the ergos go. And the boxy type definitely has some nice aesthetic to it, but as function goes, I don't know, probably not that I would recommend you to get for your collection. If you have to complete the collection, then of course it is something I had to do. But yeah, I forgot to mention there is also a lanyard hole on the top right eye. Anyway, this was the Sitivien Knives ST-155. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.